Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick video on what I'm doing to my dashboard. Obviously everyone knows if you own a 3rd gen Acura TL, you have cracked dashboards usually. If you don't have it, then you're probably lucky, but my dashboard is actually cracked in a lot of places. I already bought it like that, so I already knew. So I bought a product called Coverlay from the internet. Basically it's just gonna be like a cover that's gonna go over your current dashboard, and you're gonna have to use their silicone underneath and just put it right on top. But right now I'm in the garage because it's kind of rainy outside, as you can see. So I'm gonna start with the process, so I'll be right back. All right, so this is the board, and they said to spray it down with alcohol and wipe the backside. So I'm just gonna do that. Just make sure there's like no dust. Just get like a cloth and then just wipe it down. All right, so the second step is to put this silicone that they actually provided, and you want to put it like around the edges, all around the edges here. It goes around, all around. Basically, don't put anything in the middle. That's what from the instructions. So you want to put everything around the edges. So I'm gonna start doing it right now because I only got one hand, so I'll be right back. All right, so I put the silicone on the back sides and then just installed the cover right on top. And they said in the manual you have to put something heavy, and it's gonna take 8 hours to dry. So you gotta put like, something heavy to put on top of the cover so the glue or the silicone can adhere to the dashboard. So I just use like my gallons of oil and just put it on the top. So you gotta wait like 8 hours before it dries. So that's what it looks like. Let me see if I can show in the front. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Also put some wedges underneath the glass to make it adhere to the dashboard. So I'll be back. I'll show the finished product, I guess. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm going to give you a finished look at the cover on the dash. So here it goes all around. I did a little wiping. So that's how the cover overlay looks. So you don't see the cracked dashboard anymore. So I'll do a follow-up to see how long it lasts, any problems I had in about a couple weeks, maybe a couple months. So that's what it looks like. All right, till next video, like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.